How's it going, my friends? This is Ionacus, and today I'm doing a review for Power Rangers Lightning Collection Space Psycho Ranger. See, there's the front of the box, the side, this side, and that side. I got him on clearance at GameStop at a really good price, and I don't normally collect anything other than the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers from the Lightning Collection, but the price I got him, definitely worth it. And it's a nice looking figures. All the Power Ranger stuff has been really nice looking. They're all definitely worth it. But let's go ahead and open him up and check him out. So here we have the Blue Psycho Ranger. And you can see this nice detail in its armor, the blues and the black and the whites. Really look nice. Like the sculpt of the helmet and his face looks really good. The boots look really nice. Only thing I'm really not a fan of is this. Some people do like this, lightning effects on the hands. I've never really been a fan of that. I understand it. I get it. I mean, some characters you want to have the lightning blast from, like, I guess these guys, like the Emperor from Star Wars, stuff like that. But pop that off. I suppose you could just cut those off and have just like a hand, but whatever. He does come with 2 additional hands. That's another. Nope. Come with a fist. A grabbing hand, or a holding hand. That's a yellow blast effect. And his axe. You know, the holding hand and that hand. I'm gonna put the other holding hand in there. This is always is very simple, easy pegs to pop in and out. It can rotate 360. So in the arms is a little impeded by the shoulder armor. That's okay. Can almost go all the way up. I'm not going to try to force it if it can. A complete bend with it to the, what do you call it, the elbow joint right there. And of course, you can swivel and move with the hands. Get the base, upper chest rotation. Guess he doesn't have a waist rotation. And kick up that far. Can't really go back too much. That's to the side. Upper leg cut, double jointed at the knees, and rotate at the boot, top of the boot right there, and the rockers in the feet. Only other thing I really don't like is, I guess it's just on mine, is the upper waist sole is very loose, but I can deal with that. It's fine. And he's just gonna go on a shelf anyway. Oops. holds its axe very well. It's just overall, it's about an average figure. It's decent enough. I'm probably not going to get the rest of the Psycho Rangers. Like I said, I got them honestly on a clearance price and a special. It's too good to pass up, so grabbed them. But come on. He just really doesn't want to stand up. There we go. So that's the in-space Psycho Ranger. If you like this video, oh wait, hold on. I'm giving him a good 7.9. I'll just give him a good 8. He's a good figure. He's on par with the rest of the Power Rangers. Not bad at all. Here he is with size comparison with T'Challa. Rest in peace, Chadwick Boseman. There's Moon Knight. Another Marvel Legends kind of stands over him. Though his little crouch still has a bit of a size difference. And this is a Mythic Legion's Templar Knight with Mythic Legion's skeleton head. Not sure what head this is for. I think this is from Brother Mendabliss. I'm not entirely sure. Had in my accessories bin, which I really need to sort. But so that's the in-space blue Psycho Ranger. Let's have to give it a good 8. If you like this figure, like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Like, share, and subscribe. Whack that bell for notifications. And just remember to keep hitting those toy aisles, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.